Everyone, this is Kijabo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Again, go on to the reaction video, ang Dawn Bell compilation. So I won't say it any longer. I'm really excited to watch this. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Anong atake? Ay, bakit walang volume? Walang audio, sorry. Si Donnie talaga naging goofy talaga pagdating kay Bell, no? Sa totoo lang, napanood nyo ba yung wala talagang audio there? Mahina talaga yung audio niya, sa totoo lang. I really don't know what's happening right now. Sayang. Ito ba yung nila kahapon? Introduction? Tama? Ay, ano na naman to? Ay, nagpe-play cards sila. Sana all. Sana all playing cards lang sila, no? Nainggit. Sana all playing cards lang. Ay, ganun ba yun? Okay. What is this? Ganda talaga ng boses si Bell. Actually, minahal ko talaga si Bell because of her voice. Tapos sumunod na yung Dawn Bell. Ay, isa maybe this time nila. Ay, atake. Atake yung Dawn Bell, oh. Ganap na ganap. Mahina talaga yung audio, ah.
Pwede na tayo mag-Christmas special dyan.
Look at the height difference. Ay, sabay akbay. Bahay naman pala talaga for today's video. Wait lang, gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yun. Tinan mo yung akbay. Tinan mo yung akbay. Pambasang shipper talaga siya. Good job ka dyan, Robby. Talaga for today's video. Iba ka talaga, Rob. Pambansang shipper talaga si Robby, eh.
Teka lang, Buckingham o Bell yan? Napakaswerte natin. Itong Buckingham Palace. Kasama kayong lahat. Maraming salamat guys. It's truly an honor. Here at the city of Westminster, London.
London. Ay, ang dami ng ayuda na lumalabas. Yes, Belle. Ganda ni Belle, kahit walang makeup talaga, maganda talaga siya. I swear. Okay. Pero yung height difference talaga ni... Eh, yes, Belle. Atake ka dyan, Belle. Sino ka dyan, Belle? Okay.
Napaka-grand, napaka-special, napaka-ganda naman talaga.
Wait. Grabe naman. Wait. Napakaganda naman talaga. Si Donnie, what do you call this? Si pambansang shipper natin for today's video. Si Robby. Di naman si Robby. Si Robby. Ay, mga ganap pala talaga sila. Kanya-kanyang ganap sila, ah. Ay, wow. Belle, sa'yo lahat yan. Gusto ba? Bakit pa hindi matanggal yung parang icon ng TikTok? Aloko. Ay, atake si... Donnie nyo natagpo ang malambot. Malambot sa London. Darama. Okay. Okay. Is this bago to sa rehearsal nila? Ay, bago nga. Bago nga. Anyways, i-skip natin yan. Bakit nga ba naiwan si Donnie? Please comment down below nga, bakit nga naiwan si Donnie? Anyways. Don Berinkal IG. Ay, atake. POV Boyle joined the trend. Ganda niya talaga. Ang ganda niya talaga, I swear. Okay. Hindi ko pa ito napanood. Ginigit-git kasi talaga. Bakit naman ginigit-git for today's video? Ay. Anyways. Hala.
Keep your relationship photos off social media. Not everything sacred should be seen by the world.
Okay, pakinggan natin ito.
From the evil eye, from envy.
Exactly.
You're not obligated
Exactly.
to your happiness to strangers. What you post, they replay. What you celebrate, they may secretly curse. And what was once beautiful can slowly wither under too many eyes. Let them wonder. Let them assume. Your relationship is for real life, not for likes. Real love doesn't need an audience. Privacy is protection. Mystery is power. And silence is sometimes the loudest form of peace. They don't need to know how he looks at you. They don't need to see the way you hold hands. They don't need to be part of your inside jokes. What's sacred loses its power when it's too exposed. Guard it, nurture it, keep it just for you two. They don't need to hear your laughter to believe it's real. They don't need to see the ring to know he chose you. They don't need proof of love that only you can feel.
Ganda ng mga picture. Eee. Oh my god, let's watch this. Ay, atake. Atake si John Mami. Okay. Dito ka lang. Diyan ka lang. Loko. Atake. Atake talaga sila, Mami. Uy. Ang ganda ng compilation. Ay, bakit naman naputol? Ba yan? Ang ganda pa naman ng mga kanta. Di ba? Anyways, that's it for today's video from John Bell. This is Guillermo Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!